Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you open a screen and hand over a parameter. I will again use the Styled Invoice application that you can download from the Solution Store. I will first open the Invoice screen in Design mode and add a button. Let's call this button Open Screen and assign an action to it. We want to open another screen and hand over a parameter, so I'll select Open Screen from the drop-down and choose the screen I want to open, in this case, Customer List. Now I click on the plus sign to add a parameter. I'll give it the name Customer. For the value, we want to use the currently selected customer in the Invoice Customer field. So this action will open the Customer List screen and hand over the current customer. Now let's open the Customer List screen. Here we'll add an action that is called either OnLoad or OnActivate. On the Action tab, I select Set Search Value from the drop-down, select Customer under Element, and for the value, we are going to use the parameter we defined earlier. Enter Customer in curly brackets. Click Finish, and let's test it. I'll go back to the Invoice screen where SIB Visions is currently selected as the customer. Now, when I click Open Screen, you can see that the customer name is handed over to the new screen and that the table on the new screen is filtered by SIB Visions. Thanks so much for watching.